Vlogmas Day 2. Y'all, it has been a crazy night, day, whatever. I want to say first off, thanks all of you who reached out in regards to my mom and just kind of said, you know, that she's in your prayers and everything. She's home. She does have the coronavirus, but I'm gonna get her right. You know, we gonna fight it out as I fought it out. So I have her on the regimen that I'm on. But yesterday was uber crazy after I finished up yesterday's vlog. I'm so tired. I've been up for a while because I have to start work at 8 o'clock anyways. I think it's like 8:45-ish or something like that. But I've been up, but I just took a quick break from work really fast to like shower, get myself together. Just kind of take a moment for myself really quickly. Between getting her right, making sure the kids are good because they're virtual schooling and we're quarantined. And me working. Yeah, I'm tired. Like I have a headache, but I kind of have to push through it because I got work to do today. Like I said, I logged off yesterday early because of my headache, and then the whole thing with my mom just kind of took my headache to a different level, child. So, yeah. So I've already showered and everything. I did my face and so I'm just gonna do my face routine. I have interviews today for work, so I have to prepare myself for that. Today we are actually going to go through the Christmas ornament stuff because I gotta get in a different kind of spirit. Like with my mom being sick and everything, I kind of just have to put myself in a different headspace because I'm not in the best of headspaces and I need to get in a better headspace because I don't want to stress my kids out. So we're going to for sure do the Christmas stuff. Today, I'm gonna take you guys to virtual work with me today as well. And then, yeah, guys, we're just gonna rock it out today. All right? All right. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I have two coworkers, even though they have their own spaces in the house. They both have their own desks. My oldest has his desk upstairs. My youngest has the desk that's right outside of my office space. But yet they want to be in here with me. So we're going to get some work done. My office is office / makeup space is kind of crazy right now because I'm trying to revamp it. Turn around and do your schoolwork. It don't matter.
And Mommy, you interrupting.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, apparently I'm interrupting them.
Shoot.
And I'm being shooed, so we have to be quiet. All right, y'all. So it's like lunchtime right now. I'm taking a quick little break to eat before my interviews start. But I wanted to show y'all something really quickly. This is what I am thinking about doing for like some of my videos. I kind of crafted this last night. I don't know how I feel about it. Like I'm still playing with it. I will play with it more once I get off from work. But I just kind of wanted y'all to have something for the intro. So yeah, I don't know. What y'all think? Just trying something different. So this is like what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to like make it pretty and whatnot, but I'm struggling because like I'm trying to use different formats and whatnot. And it's not working. So I was using Canva to kind of do this as well as Keynote. But I don't know, y'all. Like, I want this to move, but it won't animate it. And then I tried to, like, copy and paste it to put it in Keynote, but that don't work. So, I don't know. I don't know how I'm going to get this to work. But we going to make it work. So, I kind of shifted this a little bit. I shifted this, moved it. But I don't want the ornaments to hide at the bottom. So, I don't know if maybe I should move this over, bring this Vlogmas down, have the reindeer duplicated. I don't know, y'all, but I'm going to figure it out. Okay, y'all, so my work day is over. I know the lighting kind of sucks here, but I have to go run to the store for my mom really quickly because she wants some stuff. So, got to go to the store for her. Let me show y'all what I look like. Never mind the bins here. Shoes go here. But I just got my boots on with my jacket, with a hoodie, with a inside because it's cold outside. So, yeah, let's go ahead and run to the store for mom's right fast. Before I go to the store, excuse my junky garage. So, like, all this here is Christmas stuff, which I need to go through. This bin here has Christmas stuff in it. There's a Christmas tree. That's a Christmas tree. So this Christmas tree is actually a white tree with lights. This tree is a green tree with lights, which I didn't use this one last year. I just used this one, but I want to do two this year. So I want this one to go probably upstairs and then this one downstairs. But I also want to do one for my room too. Y'all, look at my junky garage. This don't make no sense. I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna clean it. But yeah, I need to go through all of this stuff, and then I also need to go to the store to find some more stuff. But yeah, guys, let's run to the store right fast. Yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm looking for stuff to kind of decorate with. I don't know if I want to do ribbon on the tree. Like, this is cute. But I want to do like a pink tree this year. I don't know if the boys are going to let me. But I kind of want to do like a pink tree. And do something like... Oh, this would be cute for like everybody gets like a mug or something. Is that a cheap gift? Probably. Child, people might not be getting nothing for Christmas this year, child. So yeah, I just want to kind of see what I can find. Ooh, I love candles, so I might as well get... Ooh, and these are $20. Let me get this while it's on sale, child. Because these by itself be like $30. So let me grab these. Let's see. I have been looking for something like this. Like the decor 3-piece set or whatever. I don't know if I want to get that or not though. But yeah, y'all look at these little reindeer. They so cute. Christmas crunch. It's gonna be for me, but of course they gonna want to eat it too. This is look at this Christmas crunch, Captain Crunch, and I think we're gonna do the Apple Jacks Fruit Loop mashup. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so with everything going on, I don't need, I kind of want to try like some new wine. I just saw that these people had this pretty bottle and I kind of wanted to find it, but I don't know where it is. It was a Moscato, but I don't know which one it was. I probably should have asked them, huh? Dang it. Okay, so I found it. This was the one that they had. And I kind of just wanted to try it just because the bottle looks cute. So this is what we're going with. This tropical passion fruit Moscato. Hopefully it's good. I'm going to just get two just to be on the safe side. Hey guys, so I have been looking for a pantry type shelf type thing. And I think I'm gonna go with this one. That's what it looks like put together to put like in my pantry. Even though I already have shelves in there, I just feel like I need more. Now they have this one, but I don't want it to be like a cart. I just want it to be like a regular shelf. So I think I'm going to go with this one. And then I'm just hoping that it's not too tall. I don't think it will be, because I have a pretty big pantry. And I kind of want to put it in like the back of my pantry. So I'm hoping that it'll fit. And if not, then it'll go out into the garage. But we're about to get it and go ahead and check out and get out this store. So yeah. Hey guys, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I got hand sanitizer on it, but I had, if you look here, $83.58 in rewards. So I ended up only paying $80.27 from my $163. I shop here way too much. And then Sam's told me that I was pre-approved for a credit card, but I'm not doing that, even though I wanted to, because I shop at Sam's a whole lot and I probably could like rack up on like points and stuff. I might do it. I might, because I come to Sam's every week, so I might do it. I don't know. We'll see. But we're about to get some gas, and then we're gonna go home and put all of these groceries away. And that's probably gonna conclude this vlog for today. Y'all, I'm really gonna get to that tree tomorrow. I have to, but I need to go and find some things for it. It's 5:30 now. It seems so late. It's 5:30 now, but I think it's early, but it's late because it's dark outside and I don't like to be out in the dark. Plus I need to get this stuff back home. I still need to find that could wait, but yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go get some gas and then go home, put some groceries up, and that's gonna end this vlog. I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.